Asun tuossa Köyhtiön Rekikatu.
This is very amazing because it was completely impossible to get inside here. We are today here on the 13th of October 2023 on Haltianpolku 17 staircase, but we have to get to the staircase here as well.
Yeah.
It's also here in Jamppa, here in Järvenpää, close to the Helsinki Forces in modernized Finland, and also close to the Kallio commuter train station.
Yeah.
And the capacity is 4 persons or 325 rooms, with 6 floors, built in 1975. It's going to be 50 years old in 2025. It will be expected in the next year, 2024, the December SVS 4310. And it's bigger than 20 grams actually. Let's take 2 rides here. I don't think it has memory now. I love the smell and the sounds in here.
Same. Diskuteetpaakki vaikuttaa meidän pasilla.
I like this chocolate brown color here.
Same.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much. And I hope we can get to the staircase as soon as possible.
That's